Welcome to our channel. Today we will discover how to make delicious chocolate granola, a crunchy mix of oats, nuts, cocoa, sweetened with honey, and enriched with tasty, dark chocolate chips. For this recipe, you will need 300 grams of oat flakes, 100 grams of a mix of nuts and seeds, such as walnuts and almonds, 50 grams of dehydrated coconut flakes, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt. You will still need 4 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or other vegetable oil, and 100 grams of dark chocolate chunks or chips. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with parchment paper. In a large bowl, mix the oat flakes, the mix of nuts and seeds, the dehydrated coconut, cocoa powder, and pinch of salt. Melt the coconut oil and the honey, or the maple syrup, in a saucepan over low heat or in the microwave. Pour them over the dry mixture. Make sure to mix well to coat all the ingredients. Spread the granola evenly on the prepared baking tray. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes, stirring halfway through to ensure even browning. Once baked, let the granola cool completely on the tray. When the granola is cold, add the dark chocolate chunks or chips and mix. Store the chocolate granola in an airtight container at room temperature. Granola is a versatile food that you can enjoy for breakfast with yogurt or milk, as an afternoon snack, or as a crunchy topping for dessert. Remember to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss other delicious recipes like this, and visit our website for insights and curiosities about granola and many other tasty preparations. The chocolate granola, with its history deeply rooted in the American tradition, adds a gourmet touch that will win over all chocolate lovers.